Yes, hello, welcome to Sojaman's Cafe. Yes, this is your man Sojaman. This is Sojaman. Yes, and we are on VAG Saturday this morning. We're on VAG Saturday. So let me take you through what you have for our VAG Saturday today. Yes, let's check this setup out. This is transfer from Sunday special to VAG Saturday. Yes, so check Sunday special event number 617. I saw that the game has dropped you 33, 32, 77. 33, 32, 77. Okay, good. But it first dropped you 25. Following week drop you these numbers 33, 32, 77. 33, 32, 77. So following down, is left with this figure, which is 7 on the line. Yes, and at the same time, when it drop you these figures 33, 32, 77, following down is giving you a free ball of 56, 56, 56, 56. So here we'll be picking this 7 and the banker at the down, which is 56. Yes, 56, 7 from there. Now let me confirm the 56 for you here. Let me confirm for you here. Yeah, so here too is transfer from national to VAG Saturday. Transfer from national to VAG Saturday. Event number 2187. You see Lotto has dropped you these four figures 33, 32, 27 and 77 and 77 there. Yes, so following down today, you see your 56 live here. You see your 56 is live over there. Yes, and here too has dropped you the four figures remaining with the 29. Remaining with the 29 on the line. Yes, but please perm the event. Perm the event. You can add the 29 to the event and perm. Yes, that's what we are going to do it. That's what we are going to do. Yes, so add the 29 to the event and perm it. And perm. Yes, you can do same to this one. You can join the 27 to this line and perm. Yes, for your safety. Okay, so let me confirm this setup for you once again here. This one too is a transfer from I think Golden Souvenir or International. Sorry, International rather. Transfer from International. And here you see it has dropped you 78, 33, 78, 33, and 20 is at machine. So following down, you see our 56, 7 that was shown here. If you remember, I told you it has remained with the 7 here, and if it drop you these three figures, it's giving out 56. And here you can find these two direct on the line 56, 7. 56, 7. You can find it on the line, and the event is very good to go. The event is very, very good to go. Yes, so try and perm the event. So this is how the current also goes. This is how the current of the VAG Saturday goes. So you see that 32, 77, 78, 33, 27 has dropped. You see the 20 at machine. So here it has dropped you 78, 33, 77, and 20 at machine. So you see it over here 77, 78, 33, and 20 at machine. So following down, we are going for the event. Yes, and same as this setup, you can see double thread 32, 27, 77. So at the current, this is how it goes. 32, 77, 27, double thread has dropped. Yes, so following down, we are going for the event. Yes, so this is how we will select our figures here. We will combine some of the events together. Yes, that's how we do it always. You combine some of the events together. Yes, this is VAG Saturday. VAG Saturday. Yes, so check it out. So you'll be having single 6, single 7, 56, 29, 10, 53, 43, 71, 28, 35. Yes, and you'll be selecting best 5 out of, best 5 out of the 10 numbers. So you'll be having, 20 is not part, okay. So you'll be joining this single 7, 56, 10, 29, and 53. Yes, you'll be joining this together. Yes. So our best 3 will be the single 7, 56, 29. Single 7, 56, 29. Yes, and our 2 direct is going to be single 7, 56. Single 7, 56. Yes, so this is VAG Saturday, just this morning, and the game closes at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. this morning. So if you want to write some, just come home, let me write your game for you right after results, and you win, your money will be sent to you. So WhatsApp me on this line 0593673300 and let me write your game for you. Yes, let me write your game for you for fast payment. Yes, if you want fast payment, then come home, let me write your game for you. The game closes at 10 a.m. this morning. 10 a.m. this morning. Yes, so that's how that's it. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for your time and your support. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye bye.